Today's tutorial is going to be about how to make free $150 on Facebook in 2022. Yeah, this can be a surprise to some of you that are new to making money on the internet, that you can actually make money with your Facebook. The data you spend on Facebook, the time you spend to chat with your friend on Facebook, the posts you upload on Facebook, you can actually turn that to a money making machine. My name is Opeyemi and you are welcome to my YouTube channel called the Make Money TV. Now, before we go into our topic for today, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. You can also share to your friends on Facebook and on. There are two things you need to do in order for you to make money on Facebook. Number one is to create a Facebook page. Now, I want you to know that you have to create a Facebook page. A Facebook page is different from a Facebook account. A Facebook page is a business account, a page that is designed by Facebook for people to advertise their products. That's what a Facebook page is. The second thing you need to do is to reach the Facebook monetization policy. Now, I want you to understand this policy. According to Facebook, in order for you to make money on Facebook, you need to have 10,000 followers on your Facebook. Yes, 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. 10,000 followers is different from 10,000 friends. Friends are people you chat with your Facebook account, not your Facebook business account. But 10,000 followers are those people that follow your page, your business page that you have created with your Facebook account. And the second policy is to have at least 30,000 views on videos that are longer than 3 minutes. Yes, have 30,000 views on videos that are longer than 3 minutes. They can be 3 videos, 10 videos, 50 videos, in as much they have a total of 30,000 views. And that video must be longer than 3 minutes video. Now let's go straight to our topic: how to make free $150 on Facebook in 2022. Method number one is to make money by promoting products. Now, promoting products, you also miss advertisements. Now, you can make money by promoting products in 2 ways. The first way is like promoting self-products and dropshipping. Promoting self-products means when you are promoting a product that you own yourself. Let's say you sell stuffs, right? And you want to promote it online. You can use your Facebook page to promote it. Your customers can come, your followers can be your long-time customers. They can patronize you and to help your business to go. So you are also making money from that page as well. The second method is dropshipping. Dropshipping means you are promoting products, but the products you are promoting is other people's products, not self products. Now let me explain what dropshipping is about. Let's say I have a product that I want you to dropship for me, and the actual price for that product is $10, and you are a dropshipper, you can decide to dropship it for $15. So that $5 is your interest. That's going to be your gain. And you can have, if you have 10,000 followers on Facebook, you can have as high as 1,000 sales per month. And if you now calculate that $5 times 1,000 per month, you can see that is a very huge amount of money. The second method to make money on Facebook is to make money by creating Facebook ads. Facebook ads means Facebook advertisements. You can make money with your Facebook account by creating Facebook advertisements for your business. Now, the fourth method is to make money by uploading video. Let's say you are a comedian or a musician. You can actually make money with your followers on your Facebook page by creating videos and uploading them. Typically, you can make about $5 per 1,000 views on Facebook. I want you to know this fact is that making money on Facebook is not as easy as you think. You have to be serious and you don't have to give up. Consistency is needed in this business. So I hope you have learned something today. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share. On Sunday, which happens to be on the 2nd of January, I shall be uploading a video which is about how to make money with Facebook followers. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Opeyemi and you are welcome to the Money YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.